Yutian Valve Industrial Park, Anqi, Juanzhou City, Fujian Province, China. SHWY Shenghui Sanitary, where headquarters factory was established here in 2010. It has 16 years of experience specializing in the production and processing of faucet, covering the first building and the 2 buildings behind it. The factory has a casting, a machining, 3 polishing, and 2 assembly workshops. SHWY Shenghui Factory mainly produces zinc alloy and stainless steel basin faucets in a variety of export styles. Shenghui manufactures alloy and stainless steel kitchen faucets, pull-out faucets, spring faucets, and swivel faucets, and water purification faucets. Products manufactured in our own factories offer unbeatable quality and prices. Shenghui Factory has a variety of original designs for shower mixers, flushers, and angle valves. It has been loved by purchasers from many countries. Shenghui Factory introduced large automatic die casting machines early in 2015. Body of the faucet is cast from raw materials using product molds. Subsequent installation of automated robotic arms greatly improved production efficiency and production stability. Automatic CNC drilling equipment for faucet. Cut threads into the faucet to secure the relevant accessories, improve production speed, ensure drilling accuracy, and reduce the probability of substandard products. CNC faucet automatic polishing robot arm. Use robotic arm to grasp the faucet body and remove the friction elastic band to make the surface of the body smooth. And ensure that the polishing effect of each faucet is similar and the efficiency is stable. The sandblasting polishing room is the second process after arm polishing. This room undergoes deep processing for the polishing process of faucets. 3 types of processing are used to make the surface of the faucet smooth and delicate, attractive and sturdy. This step checks whether the appearance and details of the product meet the faucet standards, removes accidentally damaged faucets, and reduces the rate of substandard products, laying the foundation for subsequent electroplating processes. Shenghui Factory has a 1,500 square meter high standard assembly workshop with 3 assembly lines, more than 30 testing and assembly equipment, and more than 20 assembly workers. Steps: custom logo marking, installation of water spout, valve cores, faucet handle, water pressure testing, cleaning, and packing into Shenghui warehouses. Shenghui Factory has 2,000 square meters of warehouse space for storing goods for retail and wholesale customers. Sufficient storage space to accommodate temporary storage of goods ordered by more customers. Shenghui Manufacturing provides customers with high-quality products. The Shenghui team offers competitive prices and services, and Shenghui Sanitary, where has won numerous national awards, leading the industry in every aspect. Shenghui's export team has accumulated a wealth of export business experience over the past 5 years since its establishment. We offer comprehensive services from container loading, customs clearance, and transportation to delivery to the customer's location. Shenghui welcome you to contact us and follow our media accounts.